Multiply using identity. Example 303 into 297. Answer 303 we have to write it as 300 plus 3 into 297 we have to write it as 300 minus 3. Here we use a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square formula. Therefore, here a is 300 and b is 3. Therefore, this is equal to a square minus b square. 300 square minus b square. b is 3 square. 300 square is 3 square is 9. 2 0 is there. Therefore, put here 4 zeros. Minus 3 square is 9. 90,000 minus 9 is 89,991 is answer.